While Airbus and Boeing are very much plane makers, there are many components on their aircraft that are not produced by them. This includes avionics and, of course, cabin seating. But the aircraft engines also come from external suppliers, and so delays can really impact the final assembly and delivery process. And, well, Airbus's CEO has disclosed that there are dozens of Airbus jets assembled but waiting for engines. We take a look at the situation for today's video. According to Reuters, Airbus CEO Guillaume Faury said that the number of completed airframes still waiting for delayed engine deliveries has since risen to 60. These so-called gliders, which are otherwise complete airframes, have been sitting outside its assembly facilities. Sadly, it looks like the problem has gotten worse from the previous month, which had an estimate of 40 jets without engines. Faury recently added that these delays now involve Pratt & Whitney power plants in addition to earlier problems with rival CFM. With the two engine makers mentioned, this is clearly an issue that impacts Airbus's extremely popular A320neo family, which includes the A319neo, A320neo, and the A321neo and its long and extra long range variants. This family of aircraft are available with two engine options, either the Pratt & Whitney geared turbofan or the CFM LEAP. The A220 is exclusively powered by Pratt & Whitney GTF engines and thus could be impacted as well. With Airbus pushing out dozens of A320neo family aircraft on a regular basis, a production rate around 50 airframes per month, it's difficult to identify which aircraft have been mostly assembled but await engines. Going through data from the website aviation.flights, we can at least see that the Qantas A321XLR with MSN 12594, which will have registration Victor Hotel Oscar Golf Charlie, was spotted in late June without engines. No activity has been logged for this aircraft since then. We don't know for sure if a lack of engines has been holding this airframe back, but the activity logged, or lack thereof, seems to suggest a delay. Speaking at a half-yearly media briefing, Faury defended his company's target of raising deliveries by 7% up to 820 jets for 2025. The executive says this target is supported by an agreement with engine makers to secure enough deliveries. Faury added that Airbus was progressing towards the planned opening of a second assembly line in China at the end of 2025. So, what do you think of Airbus's situation caused by delays from both CFM and Pratt & Whitney? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.